welcome to Luxury Land Rover Upgrades. This is a demonstration video for the installation for the car media upgrade. So it will work for the cars with the rear screens in the back, as well as the cars without the rear screens in the back. But you need to ensure that you order the correct one. So if you have the rear screen entertainment system in your L322, then it's this one, the 395 is the one that you want. You'll just click on it now. It will take you to this page where it says stream YouTube, mirror your phone, and be able to utilize Google Maps. So this is the one that you want. If you don't have TV screens in the back of your L322, then it's the £450 one that you want, and it exclusively says there for models without a DVD player and the rear seat screens. Okay, so that's the one that you want, because some L322s came with the DVD system and some didn't. Some came with the headrest TVs and some didn't. So that needed to be clarified, because one comes with an extra circuit board than the other, which is a custom circuit board that I created, and it will enable you to be able to utilize it on each of the cars. So that needs to be clarified, which one you need to order. And then additionally, you can order the phone casting device for £100, and it's media upgrade compatible, meaning it's compatible with these two devices. And what that will allow you to do is mirror your phone's screen, as well as play direct media on the device. So like it shows you in the picture here, you can have like 4 on demand, a Roku box. So I would always suggest you buy them in pairs. I only give the option separately if you're only ever going to exclusively use it to cast YouTube to the screens. If you want it for navigation as well, this includes the screen up front, then you want to order this device as well. So essentially, to unlock all the benefits, you want to buy both devices, because it enables satellite navigation then. And the satellite navigation is obviously going to be now the most updated, easiest to use, that we're all familiar with, Google Maps. So we have, I've set up on here, let me see if I can start that, not that, well, it is that which comes up on the Range Rover screen when we first install this device on our in our Range Rover. And the installation is really simple. It is a 2-page document that comes with the device, and most of the space in the pages is just picture space, and there's about 2 paragraphs that you're required to read, and 3 connections that are needed to be made. They're just push fit connections, so no solderings required or anything major, but it does allow you to remove the DVD player entirely, get rid of it entirely, because we won't need that anymore, because we can play media off our phones from YouTube or download it directly. Any way that you can have your phone play media, this will now play. So it's actually more powerful than the CarPlay systems, and the CarPlay is a lot more expensive. This will actually enable you to play any kind of media that your phone will be able to play. It will connect to both iPhone and Android devices, and that includes tablets as well as your phone. And it will also be connected to the internet, so you can have up-to-date maps, be able to browse the internet, and you can enable the screencasting to not only show on the main screen up front on your center console, but also on the rear screens behind, so your passengers can see where they are in their journey. If you have executives riding with you, or if you have kids, they can just see where they are in the journey if you're on a long journey, and it will tell you, it will show them a Google Maps of where they are. So what it will look like is, if I can get that up, is this. I'll move that out of spec there. So it will look like this, and I've just managed to have my phone be recorded so that I can actually show you the setup through the software side of things. The hardware installation side of things is really simple, so I'm going to just rely on the documentation that comes in the package to show you how to do that, because it will take 5 seconds. It's just 3 connections that are push fit together, and you just take the DVD player out, and there's pictures to show you exactly what to do, and all models are all the same, so you've got no problem with following those instructions. They're pictured throughout, and if you have any problems, not that you should, but if you do, you can always go on luxurylandroverupgrades.com, go on the live chat, and I'll always be available for any help that you might require. So now that we're on the phone on the left over here, this is in our hands, and then on the right hand portion of the screen, that's what we will see on our Range Rovers. And that's showing a demonstration of an iPhone being connected to the Range Rover, and it shows you how to do it. It just goes through display, cast screen, connect to the monitor view, it's called, and then it will then connect to the rest of the system, and then it will display on the Range Rover. And then I'm going to demonstrate it on a Android device.